Hey moms on the go. So here's a quick video on how to wash your hands. I saw a segment where Dr. Oz, it's probably been a few weeks ago, he was talking about the correct way to wash your hands. I know this sounds like really weird and who makes a video on washing your hands, but I learned something in the video. So I decided to make a video for you guys, and maybe you're going to learn something too. Make sure you pass this on, because don't assume that everybody knows exactly how to wash their hands the correct way. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and share our video. Okay? Thanks. God bless. And stay safe. Wash those hands so we can get out of here. Hey everyone. So, with the coronavirus going around, we thought we'd do a little series of helpful tips to help you with the coronavirus. So you see, we offer a lot of different things here on our YouTube page. So this series, we're going to show you how to wash your hands properly. Because of the coronavirus, it seems like this is a problem, that people are not washing their hands correctly. So here's a little video on how to wash your hands. So we saw this first video, or we saw the first part on Dr. Oz. So we love watching Dr. Oz, and we learned something new as well. But we all know that we have to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. So first thing we're going to do is turn on the water. Okay, then you're going to let your water get hot. Okay, so we need hot water to kill germs, right? And the next thing we're going to do is show you exactly how you're supposed to be washing your hands. Well, first of all, you're going to need soap. And right now, you should have a lot of it, right? So we got this 56-ounce soap from Kroger. So hopefully you guys can still find it. And we just put it in refill here for our soap. So you're going to take a nice little squirt, right? Wet your hands. And you rub your hands together, right? You rub them together. You can turn off the water. So remember, Barney, never let the water run. So we're going to save water, and we're going to wash our hands, and then we're going to count to 20, or you can sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Don't go too fast. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's take off our watch, right? Make sure that we get everything. We're going to roll up our sleeves a little bit, and we're going to put soap past our wrist, right? And then we're back to the ABCs. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's stop here, and we're going to get this extra digit here. Thumbs go up and go up, and then we're going to stop here, and then we're going to rub. So we need to get the tips of our fingers. You rub in the middle of your palm of your hand and the tips, right? We're almost to the end of the alphabet. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and let's stop and clean out our fingernails, each one of them. We have 10 on our fingers, right? So clean out all of them. W, X, Y, and Z. So here we are. Our hands should be clean. So you turn the water back on, and you rinse your hands really well, and your wrists. And your water should be hot to burn the germs. Okay, if you're at home, you can just turn this off. But if you're not at home and you're a public place, we're going to take our clean towel or a paper towel or something like that, and you're going to turn the water off, right? If you're in a public place. But for now, we have a clean towel and or paper towels, and we dry our hands. Okay, and our wrists. And that's the way we have clean hands, and we're not passing germs. And you should do this every single time you use the restroom, every single time you walk in the door. We need to get out of the house, people, and this is the only way we're going to do it, okay?